What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be taking you through Exposé for Crown. In this, we need to extract the fake Al-Qatala documents from the Zaya Observatory dead drop, then stash the fake Al-Qatala documents on the central security desk in the top room of Ashika Island Castle, and finally extract from Ashika Island. It's a loaded mission. To start, you'll head to the east side of Zaya Observatory on Al-Mazrah to the section here, and loot a dead drop in this section. This is the Burger Shack right next to it, or a burger restaurant. So we'll approach the Burger Shack here, loot the crate, and inside of it we'll find the documents that we need. We'll grab these, and all we need to do now is get out of here. I'll be trying to do other missions, so I probably won't survive, but we can always try again. This item will always be there unless someone else has already taken it. Now that we have the documents for Exposé for Crown, we need to take these Al-Qatala documents and stash them on Ashika Island. So check your weapons and you'll have the fake Al-Qatala documents here. Just make sure to keep them on your person as you will need them. All we need to do now is hopefully lobby up, head over to Ashika Island with the documents on us. Now once we're in Ashika Island here, we need to zoom into the Tsuki Castle on the center and find our way up here to the top room of the Ashika Island Castle. We'll need to place these items on the central security desk. That's not difficult at all, other than the fact that there are tons and tons of very angry AI in the area. In order to get in there, you'll need to either destroy the robot that roams around, run up to it and hit F to get access to the building, or you'll need to find a Tsuki Castle keycard to get inside the building. Once again, it's a very simple mission to understand, but it's far from easy. Now, obviously something else you can do is come to this island and just wait for roughly 10 minutes or so. Someone else will more than likely have gone to the castle, simply for the bomb maker's loot or a similar mission. Now, it should be up in this room here. Obviously, not the best to try and get into. An angry Wilson is not the friend you want to meet here, and should you see a spotted, you're probably in for something that's not fun. There we go. So we've now killed the Wilson, we've hacked it by holding F on it, and now all of the doors to this building are unlocked. All that's left to do now is fight our way in. Alright, there we go. So we've now found our way up to the top of the tower to the bomb maker's place. All we need to do here is find this desk here to place the fake Al-Qatala documents, and we can also disable the alarm for this place as well. Now that we have everything, we're safe to leave. Oh, never mind, we've already left before, so this mission is now complete. That's brilliant. Alright then, well, you just need to extract from the map once. It doesn't have to be in the same mission. That makes life a lot easier. All that's left to do now is to extract Ashika Island, assuming you haven't got the last part of the mission done. Otherwise, congratulations, the mission is now complete. So, thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.